Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will continue our learning on gap software for oil network modeling. Alright, so in previous videos, we have completed the definition of this pipeline from join 1A to join manifold A. And in this video, we are going to define all the pipelines. Alright, so for this pipeline and then pipeline 2A and then 3A, 1B, 2B, and 3B, it will be the same. So it will be the same, dimension, the same size of pipe. So I'm going to double click on 2A. All right, and then of course, let's go to input, or sorry, it's not this one, but rather this one. Double click. All right, so now we go to input. We will keep as per default. We will keep the pipe as the per default. So that's for the environment. And for the description, you can follow me. It's of the same size with this 1A pipeline. Yeah. Right. So it's open the drop-down menu, line pipe, 1, 600, 600, and then 6 inches. And then this one, 10,000. And don't forget, petroleum experts 5. Shipping flow, gravity coefficient 1, and then friction coefficient 1. Okay, so that's for the 2A. Do the same thing for 3A. Okay, it should be line pipe, 1 kilometer. Okay, it's just for simplicity and environment. Keep it as it is. Okay, now 1B. Keep it as it is. Line pipe, 1, 600. 10,000. Okay, by the way, I forget. Okay, this one is 10,000. And then 2B, 10,000. 600, 600, 6 inches. Environment as it is. Okay, for 3B, environment as it is, and then description. All right. Okay, so for the pipeline from wellhead to the manifold, we have completed all the 6 pipeline. And now let's deal with the main flow lines. Double click here. First in the joint or the pipe connecting the joint from manifold A to, this one. This one is manifold A, this one is manifold B, and this is the joint. By the way, I make a mistake here. So it's actually not manifold A to a sep joint and manifold B to sep joint. No, but it's from manifold A to manifold B, and then from manifold B to sep joint and separator. Okay, so maybe I can first move the separator, or maybe it's like, okay, I will keep it like this. And then right click here, delete. All right, and then I'm going to connect from manifold A to manifold B. Okay, good. And then, so manifold A to manifold B, good. And then from manifold B to sep join, and then to sep join, from sep join to separator. Okay, so I think that's about it. I don't know how to improve the drawing. Okay, so we can right now leave it as it is and proceed further. Okay, so from manifold A to manifold B, this one, double click. All right, so environment, we can leave it as it is for the environment, but for the description, all right, so it's line pipe, okay, and then now the length is 7.5 kilometers, 5 to 5, 600. It's the inside diameter 8 inches. Okay, good. And 10,000, Petroleum Expert 5. Okay, by the way, I need to make sure the flow correlation here. Petroleum Expert 5. Oh, this one, Petroleum Expert 5. Okay, Petroleum Expert 5. It's not a must, but in this case, in this example, we prefer using Petroleum Expert 5. Okay, good. And now let's deal with the pipeline connecting manifold A, or sorry, manifold B to the SEP joint. Double click on this one. All right, so it's line pipe, 3 kilometers, starting from 0 with inside diameter of 12 inches. So it's like trunk line or main pipeline, okay? All right, and then 12 line pipe gain for 80, 12, lastly, line pipe 2, 525, and 12. Sorry, it's not annular flow, tubing flow. And maximum length step, yes, 10,000, Petroleum Expert 5. All right, and then gravity coefficient still 1, friction coefficient still 1, tubing flow. All right, by the way, we also have the figure on the right-hand side. Okay, so this allows the user to define which node is upstream and which one is downstream. So as you can see here, the downstream is the SEP joint. SEP joint is the downstream side, whereas the manifold B is the upstream side. All right. It's very simple. You can swap the nodes if you want, but I'm not going to click it. Should I click it? Yeah, I can click it. All right, and if I click on, wait a minute, OK button. All right, you need to be careful with the direction of the arrow. Okay, so yeah, you see the white arrow, okay? But let's swap it again and then click on OK. So now the arrow goes toward the SEP joint. Okay. By the way, to change the units of a variable, click on the cell that displays the unit and the drop-down list will become available, providing all the different unit options. So here you can open this, feet, inches, right? Okay, by the way, we also have plot feature at the bottom of the screen. This allows us to view the pipeline profile and verify graphically that the data has been entered correctly. Okay, so as you can see here, we have plot button. Just click on this and there you go. So in this case, we have true vertical depth on the vertical axis versus the X displacement. Okay. This is for, manifold B to SEP joint. Okay, you can also plot the length and then inside the emitter, right? And then roughness. Okay. Again, the displacement or the distance, something like that. And you can also check, for example, this one plot, all right? Okay. All right, so I think that's it. We have completed all the pipelines. We have defined all the pipelines. So I think we can stop it here. In the next video, we are going to do pipeline matching, where we will have data, let's say data from the field, and let's see whether our estimation generated from our computation, our correlation can actually match the field data, right? But that's a story for another day. Thank you so much for watching and see you.